hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. Boop, 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 boop. Hi, Happy New Year still. Today is a snow day here in the KY, and so I'm just going to do a fun snow look, and I'm going to use some brand new glitter eyeliner from JD Glow Cosmetics. And this is fantastic. Just look at that. And a good friend of mine, Amy, was asking about the Blueberry Muffin palette from BH Cosmetics, which has been on sale for like $7 lately on the website. And this is also a dupe for a Scott Barnes palette. It is beautiful, and I think these colors will look great with this eyeliner. So that's what I'm gonna do. And so a little something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. Borrowed the idea. Not getting married today, but you know, the whole concept of something pretty on a wintry day when everybody's driving like idiots. They're all idiots right now. It doesn't matter how smart they are. Everyone's a dummy right now while they're driving in Kentucky. We're getting like a good chunk of snow. It's supposed to get up to maybe 3 inches, which is a lot for us lately. We usually don't get that much snow anymore. Thanks, global warming. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell below. This color is called Fluffy, and I am using a fluffy brush. Coincidence? I think not. It's just a gorgeous peach color with a little pinky to it, a little pinky peach, which is great to get set for our look. I did miss uploading the other day because my knee and my Achilles tendon are really bad right now, so I'm pretty uncomfortable sitting up doing my makeup. But I wanted to put something out and let you know that I hadn't forgotten about you lovely people out in the world. I'm going to go into Yummy. Put it in the crease. There's a beautiful lavender. Just blending in really nice with Fluffy. I'm crying over you. Goodbye, horses. That is an old song that was in Silence of the Lambs. And if you are a fan of that movie like I am, it's the song that Buffalo Bill was dancing to when he was looking in the mirror with his little robe going, I F me. Anyway, it's just stuck in my head. My nose is itching, and it's really dry here in the apartment because the weather, heat, dry heat, nose dry, throat dry. It's all dry. So I'm going to now go into, I don't know, this is so pretty already. I'm going to go into something a little darker. I'm going to go into Tempting. Which is a shimmery blue. And the quality of this palette is just really great. And remember, this is the Blueberry Muffin palette. So if you'd like to butter your muffin, you can use this palette. I don't know, I'm crazy. It's such a pretty, that blue is just beautiful. I love it. And I'm going to put something light on the lid. So I'm going to put my finger into sugared. Oh, it's really pretty. That's a really cute look. The sugared represents the snow that's falling here in Kentucky and in much of America. I'm gonna get a blending brush and just kind of blend this all out. The colors are just so beautiful together. And the thing is, with the glitter eyeliner, to make it really pop, I'm gonna put black eyeliner down first and then go over it with the glitter, so that way the black will be able to reflect off the black and it won't be just a mess. Won't be just a mess. And I'm really into the House Labs Punk eyeliner. It's so good. It's got a very controllable felt tip. It just goes on super easy. You guys don't normally see me do that. I usually do that off camera. But since we're doing a special eyeliner look, and this is such a beautiful glitter. I hope you'll be able, it'll pick up on the camera. And it takes a while for it to dry. And this is just an adventure in glitter. I do another coat. So now it's just going to dry for a little bit. And we will just chit chat and yik yak. And I can't remember how much this is. It's like maybe $13, something like that. I got it on sale. I don't know. It was a good sale. It was like 40% off. It was like a after Christmas sale. So it was like $10, $12, $13. And JD Glow has just amazing shimmers and shadows. I'm starting a Z palette with a lot of their colors. Look how beautiful those are. And they swatch amazing. I'll swatch for you so you can see how beautiful the colors are. Look at the shimmers. It's like duochrome and such. I love it so much. duochrome and such. I should make a song about eyeshadows. Alright, I think that's dry enough, and I'm going to do some mascara. I'm going to use the Stila Huge mascara, which is great. It was just in BoxyCharm not that long ago, and I've used it on and off for years. It's very lengthening. It's so good. I got an extra tube of it for like $6 on the pop-up shop. And choice and add-ons and drop, they call it the drop shop now. We'll be on the 10th of January at noon Eastern time. So I look forward to seeing what they have available. And that looks so glamorous. I feel very glamorous with this glitter eyeliner. And then I'm going to do a nice nude lip with number 66 Seductress. Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And it's nice to, you know, put some makeup on when you're feeling kind of funky and being in pain a lot. It really sucks. But it'll get better eventually, I hope. So there it is. A look with, look at that. You see that glitter shine? It's so beautiful with this. And it's just a beautiful look for a snowy day. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.